Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you like how did people like do actually what they are interested in, and how did they become like successful in their life. I mean like a unique talent only which that one person has. Like if one person wants to become a cricketer, the other person might be wanting to play some other sport, or the person might be interested in singing. So or other person might be interested in something else. So like that they chose what they are interested in and they worked on it and they became successful in life. I'm going to give examples and tell you how they actually did it. Also understand like, okay, so these people did it like this, so if we are also interested in a particular thing, we can also like work on it and we can also become successful in our life. We can use them as an example to get uh, knowledge and stuff like how they did it, and we can take some knowledge from them, and we can also like get an idea like, yeah, he did it, so I can become like that too, but in the field which I am interested in. Take an example of Greg Doucette. Greg Doucette has been working out since the age of 10, when he was like 80 pounds, and at the age of 18 he was like 143 pounds. By the way, at the age of 10 he started like working out very seriously. At the age of 30, he was like a lot into like working out, and he was at like 170 pounds. For from age 10 to age 20 he was natural, like 20 years natural, and he's at the age of 30 he is like 172 pounds. I told about him more in my how much muscle you can gain naturally video of him of 23 minutes 25 seconds. Natural, and he took PEDs because he actually wanted to compete, and before that also naturally won Canadian nationals and all that. But in aesthetics, charisma, and he's an IFBB pro bodybuilder in strength too, world record holding powerlifter, bachelor's and master's in kinesiology, with more than 1 million subs, and he is a coach of more than 1000 clients, and he has a lot of diet plans, training plans, supplements, and he is also a published author. Accomplishment of him is he did education in bachelor's kinesiology Acadia University, dean's list every year, private university in Glenside, Pennsylvania. The university enrolls approx 4,000 undergraduate, masters, and doctorate. He did masters in kinesiology at San Franz Xavier University. Highest GPA in class. He got like 3.93 out of 4, and he is a bodybuilding accolade, IFBB Pro bodybuilder, won Canadian National since 2012, 54 bodybuilding and dieting competitions. He did Canadian Nationals Light Heavyweight Championship when he was natural. This happened in 2012, and other accomplishments are he was IFBB Pro, New York Pro 2013, he won that, and Toronto Pro 2012 bodybuilding IFBB Pro Show, and Toronto Pro Show he got 9th place in 2016, and in 212 bodybuilding IFBB Pro Show at Vancouver Pro Show he got 9th place. Classic Physique IFBB Germany Pro 9th place 2019, Classic Physique IFBB Niagara Falls Pro 4th place in 2019, and powerlifting resume competed in more than 60 powerlifting contests. Official Guinness Book of World Records sumo deadlift record holder. WPC World Championship 90 kg overall in 2011. Current WPC World Record holder in bench press in 90 kg weight class. All-time Masters raw bench press holder 529 pounds at 90 kg at 198 lbs. He lifted like bench press 529 pounds when he was 90 kg 198 lbs. He has showcased himself in 20 magazines, pictures, videos, including Planet Muscle, Muscle Magazine International, Flex Muscular Development, vice versa. So all these things are like his accomplishments. Like he has won so and so powerlifting meets, and he has won like in so and so competitions. But that's not where he earned like a major amount of money from, neither from his GPA. See, the degree he has done has given him enough knowledge to like make another person progress in that particular powerlifting or a particular bodybuilding thing. But how would he have told to a major community of people that he is good at this? Because when we get money in powerlifting or when we win a championship, we get a certain amount of money like 20,000, 10,000, etc. But how do we broadcast it to the world and tell the world that we are good at this? And if you come to me for this certain thing, you will get good results in this. How will we tell that to the world? Posting videos on YouTube. First, like 12 years ago, he just kept like, yeah, I'm a lot stronger and I can lift so much heavy weight. But what will people will see like, yeah, this guy is lifting the weight and some of the views will come. But what will people like actually get from that? So he was like, I'll actually start posting about my knowledge in this, and he started telling about his experience in this and that and the stuff he knows. He literally took like 12 years and the videos didn't like pop up. Then what he did was he tried harder than he tried before in YouTube. He started just like putting out videos that he wants to put out. It was not like for some other person or something. It was fun for him, and he like screaming and ranting about stuff, and he just kept on putting out videos. I'm good at coaching people, and I'm good at giving diet plans like this, and I'm good at powerlifting stuff. And he started explaining people and telling them through his videos. Done has started working for him. Asking people for money for what he has knowledge on. Telling people about coaching in his website and phone consoles for money. On going up and up and up and going up and up and up. Plans for it and diet plans for it. Training plans and diet plans are not only for like bodybuilders, it's for like the majority of people. So his knowledge and his videos are for like everyone. So he started putting out content. Actually start putting out content like that or start doing something like that when we are actually like passionate about it, like it comes within from the heart and we are like, yeah, I want to do this, I actually want to do this, I actually want to spend time on this. That's when we'll do it. Work a lot of hard on it, and for Greg you said it worked. To find something that helps out people and solves their problem, and people should be willing to pay money for that, then it'll work for us. So now Greg Doucet's net worth is almost like $1 million. $1 million is like 7 crore 32 lakh 54,500 rupees per year. That's his net worth, $1 million per year. Let's take another example of Austin Dunham. Austin Dunham at 2009 he was like a lot skinny, and at age of 15-16 he started training. He tried like weight training for a few months, and he quit because he wasn't like seeing like proper results that he wanted. And after that in 2014 to 2017 he started training like a lot of seriously, and he was skinny but he built his strength. He was doing handstands, pistol squats, and he got stronger. And at 2015 he trained front lever, and in 2021 he even does a human flag. Like if we start training a particular muscle group or like for a particular movement in calisthenics like a front lever or like muscle up or something, our muscle tendons and joints like remember that movement, and even after an year of not training it we'll be able to do that particular movement because body weight strength like stays with it. He was crazy about body weight training and he kept on like doing it for a lot of years, and he also shared his progress through like YouTube, Instagram, giving out ebooks and making training programs, getting sponsored from supplement companies. He even gives his quotes below and his videos description. Austin Dunham has almost made like 549 videos, posting stuff on YouTube since like 2016, since 7 years. First he made like mic working video, that was his first one. After that, since 6 years, he started taking about giving nutrition and information about how to like do certain exercise like a muscle up or a pull up, and He also told about calisthenics, how to progress in a certain exercise, and his morning routine, and his how and his body weight back workout exercises. He has like 205,000 followers on Instagram, and he has been posting stuff on Instagram since like April 8, 2013, and he even got sponsored from MyProtein. And his net worth of his YouTube is he earns almost per year 8.2k dollars to 13.3k dollars. That's like almost about 6 lakhs to 95 lakhs 96,339 rupees. And his overall estimated net worth is about like $3,000 to $300,000 to $400,000. If $100 is like 7325 rupees, like $300,000 into 7325 rupees by 100. Zeros down, zeros up get cancelled, and the end result is 2 crore 7 lakh 50,000. If you do it for $400,000, you'll get 22 crore 40 lakhs in rupees. So there is people like another person. Let's take another example like Ashish Chanchalani. I got to know a bit about Ashish Chanchalani from like reading an article, or like I watched Beer Biceps interview with him. So his dad said one thing about him. The hunger for success that we have, that Ashish Chanchalani also had. His dad Anish Chanchalani told this, Anil Chanchalani. So what he said is the hunger for success that we have, it actually makes us like come into a humble state. Humble state is like he's not so extreme, and he doesn't have like jealousy, etc. Because that guy actually like takes one thing that he actually likes, and he's like working hard, thinking a lot about it. Then he's not like jealous from that, and when he sees another person, like why did he score more than me, why did he get better than me, he's not like jealous about some other person. And he's like humble kind of. He speaks very nicely to other people. Deepa Chanchalani told the same thing about Ashish Chanchalani, that he speaks very nicely. He has a positive feeling towards like everyone, even the watchman when he sees him. Hey, are you free? Can we go for a walk? Even his sister is like that. To think that has he gone mad or something, like why is he making all these videos all of a sudden, there's like something, if he's passionate about who he, only he does it at starting, right? So his mom was thinking like he got mad or something, why is he making like doing like this kind of videos. Then he showed like other viners, Ashish Chanchalani vines, right, other viners and other comedy content. Then his mom was like, okay, my son is going to be also like at a great position in future. Khan told him like he never started it to like make money out of it. He was actually like passionate about it. Yeah, like I want to do this and all. He did like 142 videos on YouTube till now. Since 2009 he's on YouTube, but from 2015 he started posting his content in 6 years. That was his since his oldest video till now. Engineering, and he wanted to stand on his own feet, and he wanted to build like his own identity. He was doing this while he was doing engineering too. So his monthly income is like $20,000, 16,941 rupees, and he also keeps on getting sponsored from different companies. Something that he earns per year is $4 million, 29 crore rupees. It took like 12 years to get viral on YouTube, and he almost made like more than 1000 videos on his channel. And Austin Dunham, like he took like 7 years. He gave out ebooks, etc. And Greg Doucette was giving out like his own training plan, cookbook, train at home, train at gym, train harder than last time book. And they started earning money like that, and they do online coaching and stuff. Ashish Chanchalani, I already told you, right? He has more than like currently has almost 24 million subs, and He's like, his recent video was on like trending on YouTube. Something he made it related to mummy or something. Top one trending on YouTube it is. A lot of people are like this. Like Guruman was also like this. Like he was like wanted to get people to know about fitness and all. So what he did was like his was since 6 years. 6 years. Since 6 years he's posting stuff on YouTube. So from 2019 2010 he started roaming, and 6 years is, yeah, he put out like a program like to get started, and when people started seeing results they kept on telling to other people, and like that his content started getting viral, and when more people started watching that certain video, then it started popping up and a lot of people got to know about him, and from his YouTube also he started earning money. These people who got rich and famous, what they did is feel that they are good at, and they like broadcasted it to the world that I'm good at this. So when other people saw that this person is good at this certain thing, charged money for it, which people can benefit from too. After trying it out, when they got results, this certain person's content or knowledge that they put out on YouTube, they spread it like wildfire. Good at is that understanding stuff that majority of people they don't want to, or they are not like don't have enough patience or something. What I'm good at is like understanding stuff and explaining who, what, when, where, and stuff about it. But I only do this in fitness, nutrition, and Bhagavad Gita because if I actually like it, so I'll do it for long term. Training plans, nutrition plans, and give it out for people. And if they want to know more about that certain topic or that certain fruit or that certain vegetable, or about how I tackle problems in my life through the content of Bhagavad Gita and anime, I'll tell them like Full Metal Alchemist equivalent exchange. The humankind cannot gain something without first giving something in return. So I'll tell them like I'm only telling you like 10% of content. If you want to know more in detail, you watch my certain video and I'll share it to that person with the diet plan, and when he watches it, I get enough watch time and I'll get viral like that. But I don't only do it for money. I actually want to help that another person so that he can benefit from my knowledge in that particular thing. That I get from helping another person, that feeling when I feel like, yeah, I actually like helped out that other person. He following that plan and watching that video is like something his wish, that is, but I did my part, right? That feeling that I get from helping another person is like incomparable. Like even if you give me like crores of money, like no matter how many dollars or how many crores you give me, that feeling is like uncomparable to helping that other person. So I like helping another person, that's the reason I do it. I do all this, people basically ask me, I don't roam much in public, okay? I don't like go out a lot with my friends or go to a lot of parties, etc. I do my studies, I do my education, and after that I cook my meals and I make my videos and talk to people who are interested in knowing about my stuff. And after that, that's how I live. I don't roam a lot. I focus more on my work because that's what I'm more interested in. I want to be independent. Even I want to stand on my own feet. That's how I want to grow up, and that's how I want to become big in life. You guys can do is at your free time, if you want to, find what you're good at, like the unique talent that you have that none of your friends or none of your neighbors or no one has, but you have it, and you get a feeling from inside your heart that yeah, I actually want to do this, and you start thinking about it, you start making like notes about it, and you start like actually trying it out and you start developing in it. do it with your education. Like Ashish Tenchalani also did it with engineering. Like even I am doing it with my degree while I was doing studies in 11th, 12th, and right now too, after my 10 board exams too. Like that, you start practicing it, you start doing trial and errors on it, you start trying it out, and when you start developing, when you start seeing progress, you also can broadcast it to the world through YouTube or Instagram, and charge people for something which they can benefit from too. And who knows, you can be the next viral guy, next famous guy, next most richest person. That's it for the video, guys. That's what I wanted to tell. Bye.